Hi, this is Caitlin Rose. I'm here to introduce my business for Web Design 250. I'm really excited to talk about this collaboration that I had with a girlfriend of mine, Natasha Nicole, and her photography business. This is something that I wanted to do in the future, was to help design websites and to get familiar with more WordPress and other site affiliations to create a website. So I just wanted to talk about her program, her company that she wanted to do was to be a local photographer in Utah. And that's pretty hard because everyone and their mom really likes to do photography and they have a huge business. The key is to kind of talk about what makes her special above others. And that is done through her blog and different things. But first, I just wanted to show the homepage, kind of get a little thing. She does weddings, engagements, family, and sessions. Her main focus to get into the wedding photography because there's a little bit more bang for your buck when you're able to do longer sessions in a day service versus just a couple hours and doing multiple things. So that was something that she wanted to focus on. But as well, she wanted to make sure other people know that she is a well-versed photography. And each of these links kind of, if you click on the wedding, right here, it should bring up just other pictures and moments that is able to capture those weddings, just kind of give a see. And then it talks about those prices. This website is here to just kind of get a little bit more related to who she is. And so also on the homepage is talking about who she is and what she does. I thought that was really important to kind of get that sort of mindset and people kind of get to know her a little bit more, who she is and her life story. And her main catch is to capturing your story or your moment in time, is that she's able to do that with a click of her camera. Again, we have a couple of things, just a little bit about her. We have the contact form page, we have prices, so we click on those page. The loading time is pretty quick, as well as we can see a little bit more about her. Right here, we have prices, talk about packages, wedding packages, engagements, and goes all the way down to a season packet. In addition to her contact page, she says a little bit moment to give her text, her personal email, as well as her Instagram page. And then it gives into a little bit of a message if you want to contact her directly and have it showing up in her email box. And she has a couple people have contacted her through that, so which has been pretty good. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about is her blog, and it kind of goes over what makes her a little bit different that she will talk about. And these are my words and my contents. So this is my research that I've done for her blog, is to kind of create kind of more information about what makes a photo look good, adding the importance of rules of third, so that way other people can kind of have their own experience and learn for themselves a little bit more about photography. And what makes her a great photography is her background knowledge. And this is stuff that we've gone over together, her and I, to talk about her understanding and what she can add to the table. So again, and kind of they're long posts, so that way we get that word contact out as well as other people to understand who she is. So this is just a little bit more about her photography. Thank you so much for letting me share this about it, and I'm excited to end this semester.